again. It's a rich thing.
Hey guys, so this is part 2 of wash day basics. We're going to be talking about conditioner. This is what comes after shampooing your hair. So with this, that's gonna be kind of extensive because conditioner has so many things. There's conditioner, there's leave-in conditioner, and everything like that. But I'm gonna try to keep it simple. I don't want you guys to be too complicated about natural hair routines. So there's different types of conditioners. There's a deep conditioner, which is usually supposed to be in your hair for 15 to 40 minutes or 45 minutes or to an hour. And then there's like a simple immediate conditioner. I don't know if that's what they call it. You just condition your hair in the moment and you rinse it off. And then they do have those ones that are quick conditioners where you do keep them in your hair for like 3 minutes or 5 minutes. They're supposed to be like in between deep conditioning and conditioning quickly. Hope that makes sense. So why do you use conditioners? After you shampoo your hair, after you cleanse it, it is stripped of all the oils, all the nutrients, everything. And you need to reintroduce some type of moisture into your hair to have it feeling moisturized and to avoid dryness and breakage and all of that. So basically, conditioner is supposed to just coat your hair and make it feel soft and supple again. It's there to just feed your hair. It's food for hair. So I make my own deep conditioners. I use avocado, I use honey, I use mayonnaise, I use banana, I've used black molasses before, I've used a lot of things. I've used yogurt, plain yogurt. There's a lot of things that you could use for deep conditioning your hair. I will put the products down below in the description box, things that you can use, everyday products that you can use to deep condition your hair. The simple ones is mayonnaise. Just add your mayonnaise in your conditioner and you've got a deep conditioner. So deep conditioning is usually, if you have a dryer, you could only leave it in your hair for 15 minutes. If you don't, I use a plastic bag and then I use a jersey and then I sit with the deep conditioner in my hair for 45 minutes to an hour. So I will link down below in my description box also deep conditioners that I know are said to be good. I don't use them, I haven't used them because I do enjoy making my own conditioners. I feel like a scientist. But I will link them down below in the description box so you can check out which ones you like and which ones you want to try out. But then simple conditioners are just that, simple conditioners. They don't do that much. I do recommend though that you do deep condition, or it's treating, deep condition your hair at least twice a month. If not once, but twice a month. Do try to deep condition your hair twice a month and do condition your hair every single time after you wash. So you have to buy 2 products. You have to buy a normal conditioner, you have to buy a deep conditioner. If you can't afford to buy both, then you'll do like me and you'll make your own. So you will make your own with mayonnaise or with honey or with avocado or banana or what you have. So there is a difference between a protein deep condition and a moisture deep condition. You need both in your hair, but you need to be careful of the protein. So protein is there to help your hair grow. It's there for breakage. You find there's protein in coconut oil, there's protein in rice water, there's protein in mayonnaise. There are products which are protein filled, which are for your hair. Protein is good for your hair, moisture is even better. So try to balance out using protein and moisture in your hair. You could Google all the deep conditioners that you need that have protein, that have moisture in them. And yeah guys, I feel like conditioning is really like quick and it's actually the funnest part for me. How to properly deep condition. You apply it, focus on your strands. Remember the video of shampooing, I said you focus on your scalp. Now you focus on the hair strands because that's what needs to be fed. You apply it, but apply it if you've ever relaxed your hair. Apply your deep conditioner the way that they used to apply relaxer in your hair. You do this, then the plastic bag, jersey or something woolly, you chill 45 minutes to an hour, we'll wash it off and you're done. Yeah guys, I feel like that's it when it comes to deep conditioning and conditioning. So far we've covered shampooing, conditioning, or deep conditioning. Next video, I'm going to be telling you guys about the LOC or LCO method.